What's up, y'all? It's Mariah and I'm back with another banger. See, I'm so excited to do this for y'all today. In today's video, we will be reviewing and installing the 13x4 Brazilian water wave 150% density human hair wig. It is by Kanice, and you can find them on my favorite place, Amazon. What makes this video so exciting for me is that this is a true unboxing. I have not taken this wig out the package since it has come, so you and I are going to be looking for the first time together. So before we get into this unboxing, review, and install, go ahead and subscribe for good vibes and hit that post notification bell so you never miss another banging video again. Let's get into the video. Y'all know I love a good silk bag. Inside they gave me wig caps, a headband, instructions on how to wash and care for the hair, and ooh, the wig itself. And baby, it's definitely 20 inches. It is screaming 20. Oh yes. Look at her. Yes. 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 This right here is gonna be the one. Look at the curls. Oh, they're so clumped. They are magnificent. Look at this hair. Oh, I was not expecting this. It is definitely an ear-to-ear 13x4. Standard clips, as you know. Wefted in the back. Adjustable clips. Do y'all see this? You see how harsh those knots are? They're getting bleached. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know where. Oh yeah. As y'all can see, I'm really excited about this one. So let's go ahead and get into the install.
In today's install, I will be doing the ball cap method. So the first thing I need to do is figure out where I'm going to start the hairline for the ball cap. I do that by putting the wig on to see where the hairline is going to start on my actual hair and scalp. And then I do a little outline with the Even Lace Wonder Spray. First layer down, and now it's time for me to cut the ear holes so I can get the correct fit for the ball cap method. After my ear holes are cut, it's time to go in with more spray. I do another thin layer closer to the ears around it to really get a nice fit for my bowl cap. It's really important to get this foundation good. And then I go in with the blow dryer and blow dry the area on cool to get a nice solid stick. Next, I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade RDF 14. It's the best, or the closest to my skin complexion, and I go ahead and brush over the ball cap that covers my braids as well as the edge of the hairline. I make sure to get a nice tint to the wig cap because this is the foundation for underneath your lace. So the better tint under your lace, the better your scalp will look when you do put the wig on. For this install, I'm using the Ghost Bond waterproof glue. I think it's the Extreme Hold, something like that. I do a thin layer over the hairline that overlaps the cap and my skin, and then I go in with the popsicle stick to smooth it out before I put the dryer on it. I usually blow dry on a warm setting because I want the glue to be tacky, so it'll be easier for the actual wig lace to melt into and stick to my head. The base hairline is tacky, so now it's time to line up the wig onto my head, see where I want it on my forehead. And because I have a small head, I have to cut the ear tabs. So I line up the lace and then I just cut. I used to not do this. I cut literally around my ear so the cap is snug and the wefts are in line, like right behind my ear. you know, this is really important because this gives you the most natural looking wig. It's not going to be bunched up. You're not going to have lace or hair over your ears. But it's important to have the position right because you do not want any irritation behind your ears. I put 3 to 5 laces throughout the excess lace to make the cutting on the hairline easier. As you can see, I can get a more clear and concise, a close enough cut to the hairline, and it'll make it easier for when I go in after with the razor blade. Throughout this process, I put on the melt belt or elastic band, whatever you want to call it, to make sure that the wig was really stuck and laid before I started doing the cutting. Now it's time to go through with basically the final pass with the hair blow dryer. I have it on cool now because I don't need it to be tacky, I don't need it to be sticky, I just need it to be stuck before I style it. Wig is laid. For the final touches, I'm going in with that cream foundation over the lace to really blend it with my skin. And that is really doing it. Like, look, like I know you could see a little bit of the lace overlap with my skin, but as soon as I put that foundation on, like scalp lace wear, and then I'm going in with some micellar water, some makeup remover basically, and trying to get the foundation out of the hair. And then now I go through the real final pass, really just for touch-ups. The blow dryer is either on warm or cool because I'm just trying to make sure the makeup is now set into the lace. Now to style, I'm using this curly tight curl enhancer from the dollar store. These packets are bomb, and I think I made a video of this product on a similar type of wig. The consistency is super jelly, and I just run it through the hair. I started doing this without water first because I noticed when you do water, like it either puffs up or it's just not enough hold. But for this product, it had enough water in the ingredients for me to apply it to the wig without any water to get the type of curl that I wanted, because I still wanted it to be like defined but still kind of puffy. This is the look that I am going for. The only thing that I need to do is trim the ends so they look less straggly and the wig can look more full. But I'm pleased. It's pretty defined in my opinion. It's giving Caribbean gal. It's giving wet and wavy, but body wavy. I believe I did pluck this unit either before or after I bleached it, but now like the hairline's pretty natural. You just play around with the part, you can pluck a better part, but that is basically the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more coming up, and I will see you on the next one.